Jealousy, me I tell you how jealousy come in. Two different brother, two different mind. You go have one of them where treat one of them better than the other one treat the other one, you know. I say always go. You go have one of man them I treat one of the woman them better. One of man them I show more respect, one I show more love, one I buy more gift, one I go harder. You see, woman, as much as she have the next one as her friend, she probably not tell her friend that she bad man, you know. And maybe she not have no bad man in her, but a little tips of jealousy out there. And it's okay to be jealous, you know. Because sometimes people feel like say when you're jealous, you're bad man. Jealous and bad man are two different meanings.
Outside.
Pardon me, I am come wipe your nose for me, please. No way I talk about. Me not going. No, we can't go outside out the cold. You might, you're not a bad man, but a little tips, a little jealousy or in you. Because you say, Bombay, you wish the things them where other person I get. You wish say your man should have kind of have female head open up a little bit. Forgive you. And then, if vice versa, you go have two women too. Where you take two man and the man them a friend. You go have one woman when not forgive man much and I get. You go have one woman when not forgive the man much and still I get. And you go have one next one where I forgive man this and give man that and not get nothing. You know what I'm saying? You know I run so hard. Might be to work. My nose not run so hard, you know. Wipe you off. What you do? What is it? Why you do that in your hand? Let me see what in your hand. What is this? What is? Let me see how. Oh, what is? You walk and take up things like madman, Go and go put it on the table now. Yes, sir, that cause the problem. Why you think when me show you from when me know so them the cussing now come and it was gonna come real quick.
Phone, I have a problem with my I have been there. I have only. The truth, you're going like you're not no blood clot. Rose, don't make me go blood clotted today. I will keep it blood clot peaceful.
No, Diamond, you come out strong though. What did I so good, girl? You did one cause Rosalie long time. Mighty God of Daniels. You did one cause Rosalie long time. You come out too strong. Diamond just did one go receipt for receipt, but Rosalie never gave her what she look for today. And I'm glad. Because if anybody not smart enough to see it, I see it with my own eyes. You see the reason for you acting up the way you know much. I'm telling you something. Me not fool, you know. Me not eat that. You know how much time she repeats that she go and drop receipt and I know she can't drop it because she don't have a valid reason to drop it. You know how much time she says she'll play a voice note and still turn around, don't play the voice note. Mama block you. I can't bet mystical upon her life and mind her own business. You come over here and tell me say the girl that chat me. You see you don't love mix up, leave. I can't bet the girl upon her life I do something about fear herself. And you come over here and try to mix me. Leave, me not take ear say. Me no like the bitch I tell. I am the only person keep on a comment that over well a black man and go and about your business.
I see.
Yeah. Any secret where Diamond have for Rosalie have to have some type of secret for you too. I don't feel like I alone have the secret them, you know. You probably have a little bit more than Rosalie, but I don't feel like I am the only person to have I don't feel like I alone have receipt.
But you don't have a life. I hear what Rosa blood clot say.
I shouldn't say nothing about it.
You don't want me to talk. You don't want me to go through this. You don't want me to talk. You know why you go through this, girl. See, you know
Dyema, you shame. Me I show you which part you shame. And you know you're wrong, you know, Dyema. Dyema, sometimes you know you're wrong. Dyema, you know you're wrong. Me I show you how she wrong and strong. And she pick up say she wrong and she never have no of. She sounds so stupid, yeah, so. She tell the girl, say, turn up back the phone, make she hear Rosalie, say, cause she go and talk the things them. She feel like, say, Rosalie, I got class her. When she hear Rosalie, say, Dyema, you need to stop, Dyema. Cause you not gonna get where you want. You need to stop. You never call my phone, so me not call your own. You need to stop. That's all Rosalie say. She pause and she look so. Cause remember, thousands of people are watching, you know. So then and there now, you realize to yourself, say the woman actually not class you, so you not need to behave that way then. When you hear what Rosalie say now, hear you. So tell me if me feel for class her. Me and all your friend, if a girl in the house this as bad as you, because me hearing what Rosalie just said, me that ask you, say, what you class her for? What's the reason you that class her for? Because she not class you now. Look. Listen. Listen, you know.
Are you stop your phone with your chicks and mongrels then?
Watch her face. The moment you realize you're wrong, watch her. What you need for answer this suffer. Watch when she realize when Rosalie said, Dyema, you need to stop. She find out say when she realize that she had too much for you, you know. Then she not have nothing to say after that. Here, no. What you say? Watch her.
I show you I'm a big sister. Everything mother more. Put your mother, you idiot girl, when I have a blood clot sense.
May I tell you what me see out of this, and tell me if I'm wrong. May I see what me see? I say, Dyema. I don't know, sometimes people can drain the energy, you know. Dyema be a disrespect by being around Rosalie. Come wipe your nose, Papa. Let me wet this little car. I want to cut up your nose, you know. Come you know how this can make your nose feel burning. You see? Dyema been a get disrespect for Rosalie. Right? And it's not Rosalie's fault because Rosalie cuss and miserable with other people and she mix up, but she wasn't mixed up towards Dyema on the internet at all. At no point given. And I last time I go say this, I want it for Kaya son don't speak when I no sense, you know. Dyema has been getting a lot of disrespect because of the type of person that Rosalie is. You can't want expect Dyema to judge her based on the people that when Rosalie cuss when deep down Rosalie never do Dyema. Well, she probably chat her, but according to what we see on the internet, and we have to talk about what we see because anything where they offer the internet, me and you not see me in the ear, so we can speak on who she chat Dyema with. We have to speak on what's brought to For You page. I mean, I see in no form of way where Rosalie was ever a bad friend to Dyema. Likewise, I see Dyema has been a bad friend to Rosalie. Now, with that being said now, you make the people them drain you. And everybody can take pressure, we understand. We see you did that drain. And when we tell you, we are tell you for your own interest and your cost we have. We never dare tell us if you don't friend Rosalie, you could have taken a little time, left town, go back to your yard, Dyema. Spend a little 2 weeks in your yard, get back yourself, get back chubby. Interact back with your fans there. One night we can't see you gone a town no long in a Airbnb. Get back on track with your fans them. Do your look match them again. You know? It's like them capture you. And you got a town. You get skinny. You don't look like the Dyema what we know. You start get this from man, woman, all sort of people start this you when it actually love you. Don't all your personality change. Cause me used to be good friends. You stop playing with me just out of blue, so I mean, no, cause of Rosalie, you know. You just stop play with me just so bloop. You just dash me away. A lot of other TikTokers they used to play with. You don't really play match with them again. Then capture your car, you got torn. You're a changed person. You're not Diamond no more. So now when the internet I tell you, and you not see it, them turn around start class you. The internet turn around and the internet start class you now. So now you feel burdened because of everything what going on. Imagine you just be one friend to somebody and the only thing social media can see is you picture you as a bad person. That it put you in a depression. It put you in a depression for no say. You put your all in a somebody and you like them and people are see other words from what you see. It put you in a depression. Plus you probably have your own little personal life thing going on within your life. Put you in a depression. A long time we see you want to walk away, but you look like you never know how to walk away. You see the day when a Christmas, that's when I know say your Rosalie no clicking on. Because I see the tension in the house, you know. Rosalie there, so Akeem there, so you there, so figure it out there, so. When Diamond get her gift them, I see the bad man in a Rosalie face, you know. Rosalie, you can't bad man your friend them. I know a bad man when I see one. When Diamond get the nice gift them, a beer. Rosalie can't hide the bad man out her. Diamond are different neither. When Rosalie get fear, look at dividends them from Akeem, Diamond don't ban. One house at Jezebel. 3 fucking wrong turn people them. Them just fake to one. I don't know. Something must be wrong with them. You see them where them capture one another gone a town. You need to capture on each other and find back on the yard. Diamond family and friends need to capture back a Mobile. Rosalie need to go capture back a Seaview. And Javi and Akeem need to capture back a Portmore. Them need to split, give each other break and go back again. You know better have never be a bad friend though. No girl or boy can point fingers and me ever be a bad friend to them. The difference between me and them, I always think people are my friend when deep down me I know my friend. Me more for say somebody are my friend, eh? Me more for say somebody are my friend, while them say me are not for them friend. Yeah. Me more for say I'm my friend that you know, and deep down them say me have only no friend.